About this item compatibility, CableCreation power cord with 90-degree angle is a good replacement for most models of Samsung TV, LG/TCL/Apple LED TV, scanner, Canon Pixma/Epson/HP printer, projector, PC, computer, powered speakers, soundbar, Sony PS5/PS4/PS3 Slim, Xbox One SX and more that have a 2-prong figure 8 shotgun power connector. Backup, replace an existing overused, short, old, broken, damaged, or misplaced power cable. 90-degree angle plugs design lay flat and closer to the wall. In tight, narrow spaces. 10 feet length is a perfect reach from outlet to monitor. Certification, UL listed and CSA, fully molded design for reliable, resilient, maximum safety, durability and long life. Play button note, the plug can fit into the Sonos Play 1 speaker but is deeper than the original cable, it cannot sit properly on the table. Rated to carry, 7A125B, 2.5A250B. 18 AWG. Non-Polarized 2 prongs figure 8 shotgun connector female, IEC 320C7, to 2 prongs grounded plug male, Nema 1-15P. What you get, 1x 10 feet non-polarized angle power cord.